All right, guys, good morning and welcome to another Alpha.fx market analysis. We're going to start with our daily process, but first we're going to go over the new template for our daily analysis, right? This is a simplified one after receiving feedback from the community that the one that we moved to last week was too complex. So we are keeping it simple and stupid, right? Now let's start with our daily analysis. All right, let's go to economic calendar. We have only GBP news at 8 p.m. So nothing to worry about. By that time, we're most probably out. And if we're not, we're going to take the corresponding measures to make sure we're not exposed to any risk we don't want to take, right? Okay, now we're going to the relative strength analysis. Let's go. Let's put a refresh here. This is interesting. I don't know why this was here. All right, what do we have here for today? Pretty mixed, most, right? But we could say we have GBP slightly green all across the board, and CAD and NZD the second weakest, right? Okay, so let's start putting this here. Strongest GBP, right? We all agree on that part, right? GBP, and the weakest CAD followed by NZD. All right, let's check now GBP CAD and GBPNZD market structures, which is this. Dixie, we were analyzing Dixie, but yeah, I think we are gonna analyze Dixie only when the USD is the one strong or weak, right? It's the one among the strongest or one among the weakest. And as today, well, we could say that USD is, no, the euro is, yeah, too light. So no, we're not taking today. We're gonna go straight to our pairs. GBP CAD. Let's check GBP CAD. What is it up to? Where is GBP CAD? Okay, I don't have it. All right, let's add it. GBP CAD. No, I don't. That's kind of strange, but okay, let's. Crypto is having a really red start of week, right? We're gonna go over that a little bit later, but for the moment we just analyze this. All right. So we are looking to go long, and this is all bearish. So we move on now. GBPNZD. Now we're talking. You see, we're looking to long, and this is everything in the bullish side of markets. So after we check and everything is bullish, we're gonna go right here. I'm gonna look for the obvious, most obvious demand area, right? What is this? Six. Oh, okay. So this is the new day. Through day open. We're gonna put this there. Okay. Ah, no, 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 no. No, it wasn't there. Oh, yeah. But if we put it, just bear with me, guys. Why is this? Let me see if I put red. So this is not working. What's the deal with this? Ah, okay, so it's this one. So we're gonna put this one like here, but There you go. There you go. Maybe a little bit. Just there we go. Okay. And this one too. Okay, now we're talking. So we have this clear demand area, right? On the hourly. Let's put it like here and see how many pips this is. So by here is 12 pips. And what's our current average true range is 27. So we have 27 pips. Yes, it's 27. So what do? We put a stop loss right at 27, right? And we split the difference. What is split the difference is we put the stop loss, the difference between the zone width, right? The amount, the range, the amount of pips, the range, and the amount of pips of the hourly ATR. We split it in half and we put half above and half below, right? So we increase our chances of being filled and we keep risk in check. And this is our trade for today. This is exactly our trade for today. Let me put this one here so you. This is our trade, guys. This is our trade. Remember that the pound has news, but it's late in the day. So if by that time the position is open or the order is open, if you want to take measures, that's up to you, okay? But be aware of it and be proactive, right? So, okay. That's the order, and we're gonna put a screen capture of how the chart looked like, right? Why we chose this one. There we go. There we go. Even non-commercials are supporting. Let's remove this one here, and no, there we go. Even non-commercials are supporting our trade, which is really good. So it's like having one more. There you go. Beautiful. All right, guys, that's it for today. As usual, quick and to the point. And have a great start of week. Remember, be an alpha at everything you do. Take care, follow your rules, and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye, guys.